This is a brief tutorial on the eye exercises that we've been practicing for the Vision Center. Your eyes are a component of the body, and so practicing for them and placing your gaze out in front very intentionally is a component of the yogic practice. As you might know, in yoga, your gaze is called your drishti, and bringing your gaze out reflects the mind and its steadiness and its focus and intention. Eyes are very powerful, no matter practicing yoga or not. So gaze is something that we practice and cultivate. And we're cultivating two qualities, whether we're doing eye exercises, asana, meditation, doesn't matter. The qualities we're always practicing in yoga in Sanskrit are called sthira and sukha. Sthira is steadiness and sukha is ease. We can bring these qualities to the eyes as well. We can be steady with where we bring our gaze and easeful with the quality of our gaze. One of my favorite things to do is trataka. It's candle gazing, where we just look at the flame of a candle. And so what you can do is light a little candle. I like a little tea light. And then you would let your gaze trail into the center of the light. And it's okay to blink your eyes. It's okay to blink naturally. Don't think about it too much, just if you need to, let it happen, and then you might not even need to very much. Looking at the gaze, the center of the flame, and watching it dance. And perhaps being very aware of the space around the blue part of the flame before it moves to yellow-white. Now you can gaze at your flame for as long as you're comfortable with, as long as the candle will flame for. It can be a lovely addition to your meditation practice, especially as we move into darker days. So I encourage you to do Chirataka, candle gazing. The other thing we do is eye exercises. I'm not going to guide you through the entire process of the eye exercises because it makes a rather silly little video of me just moving my eyes all around. But what I will tell you to do is set aside about 5 or 10 minutes or so. And you're just keeping your head centered and moving your eyes around to the edge of your field of vision. Now, if you have detached retinas, eye surgeries, or any pain or strain, this may not be for you. And if you're wearing glasses, you might prefer to take your glasses off. But all you would do is let your eyes trail. I like to start at the top, so I let them look up, all the way to the top, and then all the way down. And you would trace that a few times. And then you would go to the left, and then to the right, and trace that a few times. And then right to left. Then you would do angles. Think of an X. You'd go from one upper angle to the bottom lower. And you could trace these about 3 to 4 times with your eyes. And then you would go to the other side of the X, the other angle, top and then down. And then you move in a circle. You want to move in a circle clockwise with your eyes. You're just moving your eyes all the way around. And then counterclockwise. So again, you do each of those directions 3 or 4 times. And so your total time in your eye exercises might be 10 minutes or so. Depends on how fast you move the eyes. But we'll just take the hands, give a good rub of the palms. And then let your hands come to your eyes and just feel the warmth and the heat. This is a nice way to create that ease in your gaze if you find that you're being rather intense with your gaze. And then you can release. My eyes feel better already. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope this is something you can work into your practice because there can be many benefits to your focus when you do these eye exercises.